What's up, guys? Andy Drifter here. I got a hanger box of 2020 Topps Heritage Baseball, 35 cards total. Let's dive in. Opening day is around the corner. We got the World Baseball Classic going on right now. All is well for us baseball fans. Christian Yelich, Trey Mancini, Jesse Winker, Steven Strasburg, man, had a promising career. Hopefully he'll come back at some point. Alex Bregman, Grand Slam. Eric Hosmer. Daniel Murphy, Omar Narvaez, Mike Freeman. Ty France. Okay, we got an insert here of the Say Hey Kid, Willie Mays. I believe it's an insert. 660 career home runs. Roughneck Odor, since wearing the Rangers jersey, he went to Baltimore, and I believe he's with the Yankees. Maybe it's the other way around. Jackie Bradley Jr., Josh Reddick, Carlos Correa. Now, he has had an active offseason. Whoa, boy, he went to the Mets, and now he failed a physical with one other team. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit tired when I'm filming this, but he signed with one team, then he signed with the Mets, and then he signed a huge deal with the Twins. It may backfire on them. Gregory Polanco and Kyle Seager to finish things off. All right, I hope you enjoyed that break there. I know 2020 is a year a lot of us wanted to forget. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and have a great night.